C# provides a comment syntax that uses XML text to document code. XML documentation comments are used to generate documentation for your code. They start with // and allow you to describe the purpose of classes, methods, properties, and other elements in your code. To generate documentation from XML comments, you can use docfx, a tool designed for creating detailed and structured project documentation.